imuhang kusog, tunay ikabaskog pa sa Redicon Forte. Adunay muscle building amino acids. Mutabang aron mas magkusgan ang lawas with proper diet and exercise. Tunay-gon ang lawas, ngunit-gon sa magbuo, tunay kusog para sa imuhang ambisyon. Kusog! Nilabyan. Multivitamins, minerals, and amino acids is the generic name of Redicon Forte. Aray! Aray!
Are you sleepy?
Malipakyaw ni. Sa kanadlaw nga away, bisan gamay nga aray, kung ibaliwala, mas hindi na ka makapadayon. Ano sa ang FR dayon? Diretso, kung asagi ka ng sakit sa lawas, sa gamay,
Caleb, steady lang. Smile daw. Why don't laugh? Chop galing yung head.
The tower in Makati is now open. Makati City. For reservation, call 02-888-5170 or email at towerinmakati@gmail.com. Online reservation is also available through booking.com. The Tower in Makati, your home away from home. Good news, Tower in Davao is now open. For reservation, call 082-221-1099.
I'm Rudy Berrio, 64 years old, radio manager.
Coco, you look so sleepy na. Man na to. Na.
Join pa rin ako sa marathon,
No.
zoom at hiking. Ang secret ko, MS3 capsule. I've been using it for more than 15 years now. Katunayan, lagat ko ba ang MS3 sa physical activities ko at kasabay ng proper diet. At sa susunod na akit ko ng bundok, sinisila ko sa mundo na I am proud to be an MS3 user. MS3, di na pumili.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Davao City's 95.5.
This is Philip Bailey, Ralph Johnson, and for Team White of Earth, Wind, and Fire. Hi, it's Carlos Santana, Chevy Cam from Central Lanes.
Breaking Davao.
Coco, what are you wearing? Caleb, are you wearing shirt? Are you wearing pants? What are you wearing? Undershirt? Don't move, don't move. Is it tickly? Coco? Ha? It's a bit tickly.